evening, ladies and gentlemen. Two appearances of the Prime Minister, one in Rajya Sabha and one speech in Lok Sabha today, and clearly this is not a man under pressure. And that was something he made evident to all those in the opposition parties who have virtually thought for themselves that the farm protests will put Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the back foot. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it's quite clear that some in the opposition parties, especially the Congress party, failed to understand what the Prime Minister meant by Andolan GV, the term that he coined in his motion of thanks address in the Rajya Sabha just 2 days ago. Earlier today, when the Prime Minister stood up to speak in the Lok Sabha on the same motion of thanks on the President's speech in the Lok Sabha, he decided to give some lessons to the Gandhis and the Congress party. His blazing speech was aimed at the Congress party that during its formative years,
Prime Minister has made right that Congress is Andolan GV. We are proud to be Andolan GV. We are standing for the farmers. Today we are talking about removing the laws that is hurting the farmers as well as the people, particularly in a state like Tamil Nadu, where we are having the free rice scheme. We have to forego that scheme if these laws come into play. Like in every state, there is a problem because of this farm laws.
what
Farmers
is the
are in
problem?
the roads.
Vijay Dharini ji, I think you didn't hear the Prime Minister's speech because he said very clearly that nothing is going to change. All that the new farm laws do is giving an option. Nothing that was there is going to go away. No mandis will go away. No MSP will go away. Everything will stay where it is. So in the name of the farmers, are you pulling a fast one on the people of India, on the farmers, Vijay Dharini ji?
Yeah. I want to ask you, will free rice scheme will continue in Tamil Nadu? I wanted to know. Will Prime Minister announce that free rice will continue in Tamil Nadu?
Free rice is given by the state government, ma'am. Why don't you go and check? Why don't you go and check?
No. Yes, we are having a threat of that. Like that, in this black farm laws, there are a lot of problems. Because of that only, farmers are fighting in Delhi. Why they have to come and die in that winter?
Why are farmers not fighting in Tamil Nadu, Vijay Dharini ji?
I'm asking.
Why are farmers not fighting in Tamil Nadu? You are an MLA. Don't you know that the state government decides the PDS prices there?
Navika ji, one small clarification, if you don't mind.
Will the state government be allowed to
one
give
small
that
clarification.
scheme,
I know I'm speaking out of turn.
by the center? It will become difficult.
In Tamil Nadu Assembly, you passed the same laws unopposed. You did not stand up and oppose these laws. You are an MLA.
They didn't. They didn't pass any law. They have only voted in the parliament.
Can I just have one clarification, Navika ji?
And it is only that.
Ma'am, I think you need to go back and read up. Because you may have passed the laws, either you may have been absent in the assembly that day, or possibly you don't read because many in the Congress don't read.
No. One small clarification. One small. I want to give my time to. I'm sorry, Sambit, I'm taking just 10 seconds. Vijay Dharini ji, you're a MLA, you're a respected leader. Madam, it's a very important question. Please, I request you. Madam, please request you. I'll give you all my time to speak. Please hear me out. 1 second, madam, please listen to me. I have a very important clarification.
Now, if he claims
Madam,
that Andolan GVs are Congress
okay,
people,
madam, please let me ask you this. Let's not waste time. It's a short debate. Let me ask you a specific question.
He has to say that we have
okay, madam, can I ask you a small question, please?
We are compelled to do that.
Vijay Dharini ji, can I ask you one question? Okay, can I ask you one question, please? Let's not waste time.
Poor people in this
Madam,
country.
can I ask you one question?
Vijay Dharini ji, this is what the Prime Minister was explaining, that you are an Andolan GV, you will go on speaking, opposing. You are not an Andolankari because you don't even know. 1 minute, Shehzad. You don't even know, and this is a report of the Hindu that I am reading, that in February 2019, contract farming was allowed by the Tamil Nadu government and it was the first government to pass the law for contract farming.
10 seconds. I just want 10 seconds if she can hear me for 10 seconds, Navika ji. Ma'am, 10 seconds, please.
Now Prime Minister will
Navika ji, can you request her? I just need 10 seconds
But
to
she's
ask her a
not listening
question.
to anybody.
Navika ji,
They walk out when they want
okay,
to.
so let me just ask this question, madam. Which provision in these three laws will take away the free rice scheme? I want to give you all my time. Please name the provision. We will get Sambit to remove that provision today. You have said that the free rice scheme will end because of these three laws. Which provision in which law will end the free rice scheme? I am giving you all my time and I request you to tell me the clause so I can tell Sambit Patra to remove that clause. Tell us the clause, tell us the provision, tell us the section.
Okay.
Section batao.
Allow me to speak. Allow me to speak.
Please tell me the section.
See, very important. If you stop the procurement policy, if you stop
Which
the
provision?
procurement
Which
by
provision?
Corporation
Which
of India
provision?
and hand
Put
it
the
over
provision
to
number, the
corporates
section
under
number.
the Xylo.
I want the
Xylo
section
phones.
number, madam.
The Xylo
Tell
phones
us
are
the
built
section
only for
number
that.
where it stops.
Once you hand over that,
Ma'am, which law? Which of those three laws? Which section?
The government
Which of those three laws? Which section?
Automatically,
Madam,
the free
which
rice
section?
scheme will come to an
Please
end.
tell us
If
the section.
Prime Minister is able to assure
Madam, forget all that.
the free
Tell
rice
us
scheme
the
will
section.
continue
Clause batao.
and the MSP will not be disturbed.
Madam, tell us the
Then-
section. Tell us
then
the
only
May I
section.
come in now? May I come in now?
You go to
Vijay
the issue of
Dharini ji,
essential
Vijay
commodity.
Dharini
You
ji,
reverse the
Vijay
essential
Dharini
commodity
ji,
list.
Vijay
You
Dharini
reverse
ji.
it.
I'm the
Only
anchor
then-
of the
only
show.
then
Can
we
you
will
please
agree.
hear my
Only
question?
then we will
I'm
agree.
requesting you. I'm requesting you. You are an MLA.
Yes,
Okay. Which
Twice.
party? Which party?
I'm a Congress MLA for the second time. I'm completing my term as second time.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Yeah.
You are saying in the new laws, the MSP will go. Do you know that the Prime Minister and the government and the Agriculture Minister have given in writing that neither will MSP go nor will procurement go? Which part of the law are you seeing where you are saying that procurement will go? Tell us the section. Shehzad has asked you, tell me the section. Tell me the
Specific.
section.
Specific section.
I'm giving you 30
Now,
seconds
if
more.
Prime Minister
Tell me
is
the
able
section
to
where this is
ascertain,
mentioned.
not only in the parliament, but also enact that MSP will continue.
Act,
We
which
can get
section
rest
will
assured
take away your
because
free rice
the
scheme?
present
I'm asking
laws
you, madam.
does not
We will
contain
give you
anything
all our
about
time.
MSP.
We'll give you 1 minute,
You
one and a
make it
half
as a
minutes.
law,
Please
or
put the
you've given
section on
assurance.
paper. Which
If
section?
you've given
Tell me I have the
assurance,
three laws.
then we can
Sponsor
take it
section.
into consideration.
We can tell
With
Sambit Patra
Parliament
that he is then
Assurances
to remove that
Committee,
section. Tell
they
the
have to
section.
make it publish. They have
Where
to
is it?
publish
Which section?
That MSP will continue and the essential commodities
Madam, you said
Act
free
will
rice
not
scheme
get
will be
changed.
ended.
All
Which
the
section
list has
ends
to
it?
be
Today you must
continue.
honor Sambit Patra. Tell us the section. Tell us the law. कौन सा section है जो free rice scheme को खत्म करेगा?
Come on.
Tell us the section. Tell me the section number. Tell me the law.
See, I'll tell you section 12 and 13 of
What?
the
Which law?
Security
Which
Act.
law? Tell the name of the law.
What?
Section 12 of
I'm
which
telling,
law?
No,
Which
allow
law?
me to speak.
Please tell us the law.
Allow me to
Okay,
speak
okay.
now. You going on telling
Okay,
tell,
I'm reading out
Allow
section
me to
12. Which
speak.
law?
Allow me to speak. See, section 12 and 13 of the Food Security Act brought by the Congress
Food
government
Security Act is not
clearly
there. These are not the
establishes-
three laws.
And section 4 clearly establishes the fact that all
अरे
these
ये तीन
Vijay
कानून में कौन सा law
Dharini
है?
ji, Vijay Dharini ji, you
See,
are
all
talking
these-
about
all
the
these
Food Security
things will
Act. We are
continue
talking about
and-
the farm laws. You are in another country. We are in another country. In your state of Tamil Nadu, on
Navika.
February 24th, Tamil Nadu became the first state to enact a law on contract farming based on the lines of the model legislation put out by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare in May 2018 of the Tamil Nadu government. The Tamil Nadu Agriculture, Produce and Livestock Contract Farming and Services Promotion and Facilitation Act of 2019, the law got the assent of the President Ramnath Kovind last month. The State Assembly adopted Contract Farming Bill in February. Are you aware? Have you ever done any protest in Tamil Nadu against this contract farming? Which clause
contract
says
farming bill-
that procurement of
Can I-
free
can I-
rice in
can I
rations to
speak?
poor people will go away? Can you tell us?
Can I speak? This contract farming bill, few sections of the bill we opposed. In fact, we raised the issue in the assembly. We clearly stated that if the farmers and the livestock people who are holding farms
Sambit
of
Patra.
poultry and other
Sambit
cattle
Patra,
and other things,
this a
here
there
it
is going
is.
to be a
The
problem.
difference that the Prime
What is
Minister,
the government is going to give
Prime
relief?
Minister was
When you
trying to
allow it
show
for
between
contact farming,
Andolankaris
if they
and
are running under a
Andolanjeevis.
law,
Vijay
what this
Dharini
question be raised in the
Vijay
assembly?
Dharini ji
But
is
the
a
ADMK
prime
government
example
went
of
ahead
Rahul
and
Gandhi's tribe
passed a
of
law.
Andolanjeevis.
Because
Would you agree?
They have the majority, they did it. We raised our issue.
They have a
all these
majority in
issues.
Lok Sabha too.
Only if she allows me to speak, because she is
See,
not
all
stopping.
these majority,
She is-
minority,
she
all
is
these
shouting
issues are
continuously.
there
She
everywhere.
allows others to speak.
But
Oh my
opposition
God.
has a right to
Only
raise
if
issues.
Supriya Srinath allows others to
Opposition
speak
has
can I
right to
speak.
issue, right to raise issues
Please
for
say,
the
please
poor
ask
people
Supriya
and the
Srinath ji to
farmers.
be quiet.
There's nothing wrong in it.
Navika,
When we
She is
speak
Vijay
about
Supriya
it,
Dharini
Srinath
ji.
जी को चुप
claim
रहने
that we
बोलिए,
are
तभी बात हो
Andolan
सकती
ये
है.
विजय धारिणी जी है, MLA है कांग्रेस की.
Oh, I don't have a TV in front of me, but she sounds like she sounds
Yes,
exactly
you're going
like
behind the
Supriya
corporate.
Srinath, not
You are
allowing others to
procuring-
speak.
You want to- you
Now
want the
please.
xylocooms, the-
Oh,
the
Vijay Tarini
xylocooms
ji,
for
allow others.
private
ये
to
बाप रे
procure.
कहाँ से लाया
Will
ये
that
बाप रे बाप.
procurement will help
एक-
poor people?
She will
Will
blast.
that
She will
procurement-
blast.
will
Control,
the
control,
price
control,
will
madam,
help
control. Madam,
See, I tell you
control,
one thing.
control, control,
Can
please.
these laws
Control brakes,
ensure-
brakes, apply brakes.
ensure
Apply
the
brakes,
others
apply brakes.
ensure
Madam, apply brakes.
essential
Apply brakes.
commodity.
Ayyo.
Okay, Vijay Dharini ji.
Navika, tell her to apply
Vijay
brakes.
Dharini ji, you
Navika,
made your
tell her to
point.
apply
Allow
brakes. What
Dr.
is happening?
Patra to come
Continuously
in.
she is
I'll have to
speaking.
lower your fader
That is the
otherwise.
laws in Delhi.
I'll have to lower your
What is
fader.
this?
Yes, yes, Dr. Patra.
My God, कहाँ से लाया है? Thank you. नहीं, first and foremost, Vijay Tarini ji, with all due respect, belongs to the Atta group. Atta group means ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा होगा. Remember today the Prime Minister spoke about the Atta group. ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. She is a classical example of the Atta group. Henceforth, because aisa hoga to aisa hoga is a huge phrase, so I am going to call them the Atta group people. So she is a classical example of Atta group, number one. And Vijay Tarini ji, don't worry about your free meals. We have Amma Canteen. You are welcome to have your free rice also. We will provide you idli, sambar, chutney and dosa as well. We have fantastic Amma canteens there. Please don't worry about your free meals and your rice. We have a good stock of rice there. We'll take good care of you. Now coming to the point over here. Ironically, look at, she's an MLA, twice an MLA, two-term MLA. And she was lying through her teeth right now saying that the procurement will decrease. Astonishingly, I firmly believe that we need to project the statistics on her face. The procurement has increased after the 3 farm law bills were brought into action, and particularly more procurement in Punjab, 19% increment in the procurement in the Punjab area. Astonishingly, the canards that these people have spread, the confusion that these people have spread is something which needs to be called out, number one. Number two, as far as your question regarding Andolan Jeevi is concerned, let me tell you, though the Prime Minister in fact defined what an Andolan Jeevi is, Andolan Jeevis are those people who masquerade for one cause, but actually they fight for another cause. They are, it's not true that Rahul Gandhi and Vijay Vahini ji and others are fighting for farmers. They are fighting for the revival of the Congress party, masquerading as farmers. Is it that Yogendra Yadav is a great farmer of this country fighting for farmers' cause? Of course not. Yogendra Yadav wants to establish a political party of his own. He wants to go ahead politically. That's why he is masquerading as a farmer. Now let me give you a wonderful example of this Andolan Jeevi. These Andolan Jeevis, they will burn the candle both ways. I mean, just imagine. Remember when the air quality index in Delhi was quite bad. Remember 3 years ago, and the parali burning, the stubble burning was quite high. These Andolan Jeevis, Yogendra Yadav came with a small child and said, "Hamare bachchon ka kya hoga?" The typical voice he takes out, I don't know from where he comes out with that kind of voice. And then he said, "हमारे बच्चों के फेफड़ों में एक छेद हो गया है, हमारे बच्चे मर जाएंगे, अगर पराली जलेगा तो हमारे बच्चों का जीवन क्या होगा?" That time he was fighting against parali and stubble burning. And today he is saying, why should the government impose fines on the stubble burning? So burning the candles both ways. You stand with the stubble burning people, and then when you have an opportunity, you stand against the stubble burning people. These are classical. These are classical. Miss Vijay Nirupani, this is not fine. Miss Vijay Vahini, this is not fine. You cannot. I mean, she is.
Now listen to me.
Yeah, as far
Vijay
ji, don't talk. Vijay ji, I respect you a great deal, but what can be done? You have a Rahul Gandhi in your party. He knows nothing and speaks about everything. As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, do you know Vijay ji? In Delhi, what they say for Rahul ji?
The low-level comments you are
we know everything of Rahul Gandhi. No, we know everything of Rahul Gandhi. Where he goes, whom he meets, we know everything. Arey Vijay ji, we know everything of Rahul. We know everything. Yeah, we know everything. We know everything of Rahul Gandhi, Baba. We know everything. I will tell you certain. I will tell you secrets. I will tell you secrets.
We are poor people.
You know.
We are poor people.
No, you don't. I know you don't know anything about Rahul Gandhi, but let me enlighten you.
1 minute, Vijay Dharaniji, one at a time. You cannot hear you and him. So allow him to say, then you respond. Yes.
Vijay Vahini ji.
Vijay Dharaniji ji.
See, Vijay Vahini ji teased me saying as if you know everything about Rahul Gandhi. Yes, you may not be knowing about your leader, but we know. As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he knows nothing, ji. He knows nothing, ji. He's talking about crony, ji. But Rahul Gandhi knows nothing, ji. Know nothing and speak everything is what Rahul Gandhi is, ji. And do you know whom he meets when he goes to foreign trips? Do you know? Vijay Vahini ji, do you know whom he meets? Do you know whom he meets? Vijay Vahini ji, this is a question to you. Do you know, Vijay Vahini ji, whom this Rahul Gandhi meets when he goes to foreign destinations? My God, he meets the conspirators. He meets the conspirators who work against India. Rihanna, Mia Khalifa, Greta, and after meeting all these people, look what these people have done. Mia Khalifas, Gretas, and this Rihanna. So your leader, who knows nothing, ji, goes to foreign destinations, conspires with all these Greta, Khalifas, and Rihannas, and he launches a triad against India, his own country. And ironically, he launches investigation against Lata Mangeshkar and Sachin Tendulkar. Now you know, ji.
Corruption and Indian
America? No, he did not go to America. He went to Italy. He went to Europe. He went to Bangkok. You know nothing, ji. Arey, Vijay ji, you know nothing about Rahul Gandhi ji. I will tell you. You are a good person. You know nothing. You are a good person. You are a good person. You know nothing about Rahul Gandhi. I will enlighten you. I will enlighten you about Rahul Gandhi. Wait. I will tell you.
Ordinary Andolan people.
No, I will tell you. Vijay ji, when did Rahul Gandhi last go to foreign destination? Do you know? Do you know when Rahul Gandhi last went for a foreign tour? Do you know? Let me test your general knowledge about your leader.
Let me come back to the point. Vijay Dharaniji ji. No, let me bring you back to the issue of debate. May I tell you and may I read out some facts to you? First, on the APMC. APMC is something that the Congress is opposing, but in 2019, they had it in their manifesto. Then, MSP. You want a legal guarantee for the minimum support price today, but you were in power for 10 years just gone by between 2004 and 14 and 40 years before that. You never gave a legal guarantee for MSP. Now, Sabrimala, another issue of confusion. Rahul Gandhi pushed for entry of women into Sabrimala. Now the Kerala Congress says, no, let's go back to traditions. Now, NRC. NRC is something started by Rajiv Gandhi. Today you are opposed. Assam Accord and NRC was something Rajiv Gandhi did. Urban Naxals, earlier, what did you do? You arrested GN Sai Baba. You put UAPA charges against him. Now, you have a problem with any of these people being arrested. Again, Love Jihad. The Rajasthan government agrees with the government that there should be a 30-day period for conversion. But the rest of the Congress is opposing it. मतलब जिधर जाओ कोई problem है. Aadhaar, Congress brings it. Later on, when the BJP wants to enforce it, you have a problem. Privatization. RTI shows that in 2011, the work of privatization of Air India was started by the Congress party. Today, you are the biggest opposers. I want to ask you, Abdul Razak Khan, isn't this the track record? Anything out of this that I have read out, कुछ भी गलत है? And I asked the question of crony capitalists. ये crony capitalists शुरू कहाँ से हुए थे जी? ये मेहुल चौकसी, नीरव मोदी को लोन मोदी ने तो नहीं दिए थे, वो तो मिले थे यूपीए के सरकार के समय में ना. आज प्रॉब्लम है आपको क्रोनी से.
नाविका जी देखिए, जब ये इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट थे, इनको देश से भागने के लिए किसने दिया? मल्ल्या को देश से भागने के लिए किसने दिया? जितने भी बैड लोन्स है, एनपीएस है, क्या वो सिर्फ कांग्रेस के टाइम के हैं? 2014 के बाद कोई भी एनपीए नहीं है, उसका डेटा, उसका कोई रिकॉर्ड आपके पास नहीं। देखिए जो नाविका जी, सिंपल सी बात है, आंदोलन जीवी तो हम थे, हम हैं, हम रहेंगे आंदोलनकारी। ये लोगों की तरह हम छुप के कहीं खत नहीं लिख रहे थे ना। अगर आंदोलन न होता तो ये देश आजाद नहीं होता था। हम लोग ब्रिटिश सरकार के नीचे रहते थे आज भी। तो इन लोगों को शर्म आनी चाहिए जो आज हम लोगों के ऊपर उंगली उठा करके कह रहे कि आंदोलनकारी। नाविका जी, अगर आंदोलन नहीं होता तो ये देश आजाद नहीं होता था। इन लोगों की तरह छिप छिप के खत नहीं लिखे रहते थे। हम लोगों ने आंदोलन किया, आंदोलनकारी हम थे, हम हैं, हम रहेंगे। अरे आज किसान मांग क्या रहा है? मोदी जी क्यों टारगेट करते हैं कांग्रेस को हर बारी? कांग्रेस के पीछे क्यों छुप जाते हैं? आज मोदी जी के पास समय था, वो समझा सकते थे देश के फॉर्मर्स को क्या करना चाह रहे, एक कॉन्क्रीट स्टेप बता सकते थे।
अच्छा, एक सेकंड, पप्पू जी भी ना बनो, पप्पू जी भी ना बनो, अब सुन लो, पप्पू जी भी ना बनो, पप्पू जी भी ना बनो, अब्दुल रज़ाक, अब सुन लो ना, दूसरे का नाम लिया है, सुन लो 20 सेकंड सुन लो।
मिनिस्टर
अभी फिलहाल 1 सेकंड सर, अब हो गया आपका,
रघुनंदन शर्मा आरएसएस के बहुत बड़े लीडर है।
पप्पू जी भी मत बनो, डोंट बी हेकलर जी भी।
has gone to their heads।
अच्छा आप बोल लीजिए, हेकल कर लीजिए अपने हिस्से का, फिर मुझे बोलने दीजिए। हेकल कर लीजिए, पहले हेकल कर लीजिए,
अहंकार दिखाया जा रहा है।
10 सेकंड हेकल कर लीजिए, हो गया।
किसान रोड पर है,
ठीक है, हो
150
गया।
से अधिक किसान जान गंवा चुके हैं।
हो गया।
इतना भी ख्याल नहीं है मोदी जी को।
हेकल जी भी हो गया, अब मैं बोलूं
तो आपने मैनिफेस्टो में क्यों डाला था? मैनिफेस्टो में क्यों डाला था?